Hi and welcome back, guys. There is right now a crazy pattern evolving that could Bitcoin take down to a really crazy price target. And I want to talk about this and why this chart here that I'm on right now is so important for this pattern. So, and if you want to know what I'm talking about, then definitely stick around until the end of the video and make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel and also activate the notification bell. Now let's get into the chart here. So first of all, we're gonna start here with the 30 minutes chart. So here on the 30 minutes chart, I just want to take the EMA ribbon quickly away. So we can clearly see that Bitcoin is running here over and over into resistance, and we actually can make a box out of this. We are running always in this resistance area. So then we have beneath also support, and the support is more or less here. So and you can see that Bitcoin is kind of ranging in between these two levels here and cannot clearly break out. So once we have clear direction either to the upside or to the downside, then we can also trade accordingly and not do these quick scalp or intraday trades that I post in my free Telegram channel, link in the description. Then we can actually open properly long or short positions when we know in which direction we are going, either here to the upside or to the downside. So of course, when we go to the upside, we open a long position. If we go to the downside, we open a short position. So to the upside, the target is clear. It's around $30,000, $29,000 would be the target. I will show it now in another chart again. So to the downside, the target could be here, $20,881. So let me show you now here on the daily chart. So first of all, there is now an increasing chance that the Bitcoin price will come down to test at least $22,850 or even go all the way down here in that rising wedge pattern that we are having here to the bottom of it, to $22,100. So and why is that? Because first of all, we have here an evening star pattern evolving. So where we have here this huge pump to the upside, a big doji, and then another red candle going to the downside. So and if that stays that way, so and we dump here significantly lower today, then and to complete this pattern, so if we go here, let's say all the way to $23,300, $400, then and we close the candle there, so then this pattern would be completed, and that would indicate also a reversal that we will go in the immediate short term here lower. But that is not the most concerning for me. The most concerning for me is something that I found here on the 4-hourly chart, and let me show it to you. So and look at this here. So and that is really interesting. If I draw here a line, so now see what happens. Right shoulder, left shoulder, head, potential right shoulder. So and if I measure this from the top here to the neckline, so then this gives us a target, look, 20,828, so not so far away from 20,881. So you see there's a lot of confluence that we actually could go to these low levels here in the immediate short term. So and that's was also the reason why I wanted to warn you guys about this. So there is a chance that we are not only touching the EMA ribbon here, so here based on the 4-hourly chart we are already in the middle of the ribbon, but potentially on the way to the bottom of it. So but there's actually a chance that we break the bottom of the ribbon and head here lower all the way down to potentially here before we come then back up and continue this run to the upside. If you want to trade this or also these intraday calls that I give on my free Telegram channel, then don't forget, guys, you can go here below into the description of every video that I have, or into the pinned comment section, and there you still get $4,450 in free bonuses if you deposit a little bit of money with that specific link here. Guys, this bonus is not forever available, so definitely take advantage of that right now. And the same with the with BitGet, $8,000 in free bonuses and 15 discount on trading fees, also only with my specific link, guys. So definitely don't forget that these bonuses are not lasting forever, they are expiring. So if I would be you, I would directly go and sign up there. So, and here is also, as I said, the link to my free Telegram channel. And if you want more signals than only one per day that I'm sharing on my free Telegram channel, and you want consistently to make a lot of money with me, guys, then join my paid signals group. This link directly will hook you up with my staff, and they will give you all the info that you need. Guys, that was a really quick update today. I might, let me see, do I have it open here? No, sorry guys, I don't have Ethereum open. I wanted to actually do Ethereum, but I don't have it open. I will do it tomorrow, I promise. So, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.